Welcome to the Crypto Nest. I just want to make a quick update, maybe a general follow-up on crypto. So we can see that Bitcoin decided to go lower. Is it related to the war? Is it really related to the PPI and to the CPI that was a little bit higher than expected? I think 3.7 instead of 3.6. Nothing dramatic. And yeah, so Ethereum also it's crashing harder than Bitcoin, as we can see. Let me go on the 4 hours. Once again, my internet is very slow today, and yeah, I ordered a plier, so I'm going to do no cable length, so should resolve the problem. There we go. Got disconnected again. Ethereum, as you can see, we're falling much harder than Bitcoin. There you go, finally. And yeah, if we lose this support here, I would say we're going to go a little bit, yeah, actually 1460 for sure, I would say. What else? Well, Avalanche, I did warn you yesterday that, you know, if you did get, let me take this one, maybe it's easier. So I did tell you to get out technically, even though it wasn't financial advice. We, yeah, we broke the $9 level. And I believe we're going to make a new lower low of this cycle. So yeah, I would, you know, if well, I wouldn't say I would short now, but maybe for 5% short, it would be kind of successful. If we break here, for sure, we're going to go lower. I think the other yesterday, I think I did made you aware of the next level. I think. What else? Chronos. Again, you know, it's not looking good, right? So we just lately kind of matched, or even we didn't made a new lower low compared to this one here. No, lower low it's here, so we're still far from, but not that far. So price from today to the lower low, we need to drop 12%. So if Bitcoin decide to go to 23, 22, or even 20, then help. What else? Now, Dodge, I did make you aware yesterday that I got out from this trade and successfully got out, took small loss, and then cash back my money and waiting for the capitulation of the market to go back in. Now, Dot, we are making, I believe, a new lower low now. Is it? I think so. So that's good, honestly. And yeah, what I was going to say here. So we're near the target, I would say, at 357. We can go even lower, as you can see. Maybe even yeah, maybe 330, something like that. So I'm going to follow up that eventually, for sure. You know, yeah, 353, and after that 357. Those are the two levels here. What else now? Phantom, it's taking a drop as well. We had kind of potential here and here to reverse the trend, but because we had a very nice uptrend line, but now lately we broke it. So yeah, I'm expecting a new lower low for well, maybe not new lower low, because no, it started 2020. I don't believe we're going to go to 0.005, but maybe here, let me put it. So the next target, well, for sure it's previous low here at 0.1641, and after that, if we fail on that one, then yeah, 1 cents 544. Those are the two levels. Actually, I put another one, the 3 one, it's 1727. Maybe that one is the one we're going to break today. Also, now I don't want to make too many, but Link, well, honestly, Link, I'm kind of losing my sorry, I'm losing a little bit my patience. We had up to now, maybe I believe to say this was a wave 2, 1, 2, 3, and this 4. But as you can see now, it's not doing something bullish. it's kind of consolidating. Maybe it's doing even I don't know, like, honestly, by the time now we should see something more bullish. So I'm going to stick with that. If we go below $7, forget about it, because it's not looking good. Even though if the wave A to the wave C would allow us to go up to $6.73 and meet up with the MA50 and 200, that would be maybe an entry point possibly, and a very short sell stop limit if it doesn't go, you know, on the way we want. So I would say that maybe Chainlink can go lower, touch up with those two MA eventually, and then after bounce back. That would be kind of borderline with the wave 4, where it can make a pullback, and that would give a chance. So this is maybe one entry point, and once again below one specific point we get out if the trend it goes down. If it goes down, once again it's going to go down up to more likely 580. So, you know, it did reach so many times this level, so then would be another entry point. All right, so that's for Link. And then Render, honestly, I'm in kind of mixed feeling, even though we are still uptrend, right? Let me go here. So we are still uptrend slightly. The only thing I would say maybe now, I mean, short term we could have done a trend like this, and I think now we're kind of getting there. So let me go on the 4 hours. We can have maybe something more detailed. I think no, not even. We already broke that trend, because I was saying maybe something like this. And yeah, so today, when was that? This was on Tuesday. It kind of acted as a support, and now, yeah, 4 hours ago we did break that trend. Now we're near, but you know, it's not looking good as well. So let me check here the indicators. 4 hours, we're losing momentum. So you can see that the price was going higher, but if you check from the RSI peak, you can see that we are in a decline and we're reaching higher price. So we're having a bearish divergence, and now it's playing out. So that's on the 4 hours. That gives us a short-term, you know, orientation that price should go lower. And this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we did the fifth one. I believe now we're going to make a corrective movement. This is a diagonal, so let's remember it's not that reliable. So we need to see a 3-wave down now, more likely. So a B, and a C. So for the moment, I would say if you are in, maybe take some profits. And anyway, we should have taken some profits at this level when we reach it, partially. Then if we go higher, this was the ideal retrace, not retracement, but extension, the 1.618 at $1.78. We're not that far from there, so we still have time to take some profits and secure our profits, take back some capital. And if there ever is a capitulation in crypto, then we can take advantage of that. Also, Solana, it was looking very nice, okay, but now I start to doubt a little bit. So I'm not sure this fifth wave is going to come. And yeah, so so 4 hours we start to be oversold. Let me see here. Momentum, we can see that very, very shy bullish divergence. Well, not really shy. Okay, MACD, we can see that there is a slightly uptrend and going back maybe into positive momentum soon. And price, it was going very low and reaching lower lows, local lower lows. But now we're getting at the limit. We already busted the 0.5 fib retracement. Let me go and put the daily one. So you can see that, yeah, today we are breaking out from the, let me enlarge a little bit so we can see a little bit better. So the 0.5 it's here was 21.81, now we are at 21.28, and the 0.618 it's 21.10, so reaching that, we're about to reach that level, right? Now, once again, let me see here, this is the MA50, and we're having MA200, so this is on the daily, so this can also act as a support. So as I mentioned before, we'll start to getting into invalidation points. So if you have a week down, it's okay, but then if we go much lower, it starts to be unreliable, and then yeah, so RSI is in decline, MACD is in decline on the daily. So let's see if MA200 is able to support us. If we see something price really reacting at that level, then maybe there is some probabilities that price can reverse, but we're really borderline. So I would say now we are in critical zone. If price doesn't reverse, we're going to fall. We felt this MA200 that could act as a support. If we do that, then we're going to only make three waves, like a B, and a C, and then unfortunately, I believe Solana will go a little bit lower. So maybe, possibly, honestly, around $17, which is another nice accumulation level, maybe. All right, so this is pretty much all for the crypto market for the moment. I only had 20 minutes to do that, so I do the best I can. So be careful. If you are in profit, if you are a scalper and in profit, maybe, take back your money, because it's really unstable out there. So good luck. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.